Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your BMW 1 Series grille. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a T20 Torx screwdriver, and some painter's tape to protect your vehicle's finish. Always ensure your car is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth and scratch-free installation process. Now, let's remove the old grille. Begin by using your trim removal tool to carefully unclip the top tabs. There are usually 2 or 3 T20 Torx screws securing the grille, so remove those next. Once the top and screws are free, gently pull the bottom clips away from the bumper, working your way across. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding trim. With the old grille removed, it's time to install your shiny new one. Carefully align the new grille with the mounting points on your BMW's front bumper. Once aligned, firmly push the grille into place, starting with the bottom clips. You should hear them audibly click as they engage. Finally, reinsert and tighten any T20 Torx screws you removed earlier to secure the top. Great job! Your new BMW 1 Series grille is now installed. Take a moment to double-check that all clips are securely engaged and the grille is firmly seated. Remove any painter's tape you applied earlier. You've successfully upgraded your car's appearance with a fresh, new look. Enjoy the enhanced aesthetic of your vehicle's front end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.